Alright guys, in this video we are going to go over a few of our tabs. We're going to go over clients, billing, vendors, accounting, and insights. Insights are also known as your reports. So we're going to start with clients. We're going to kind of bounce around because I'm going to go over the clients and vendors first. Super simple stuff. Let me start by saying we kept this really simple for the clients and the vendors. Okay, so clients, you can go in, you can see a client, you can see what they've used, you can edit them, you can create a new order directly from their site. Their total revenue will show up down here once their order has been submitted and completed. Um, you've got just basic stuff to add them, your add button, name, company, whether they're individual business or venue, email, phone, address, zip, city, state, notes, and then create client. I will say, if you guys need more stuff than that for your clients page, let me know, and we will get that added for you individually. All you gotta do is send us an email, info@myshowflow.com. And then now, let's move over to our vendors. Vendors are going to be equally as simple. You can edit them here. This is their form. You gotta add vendor here, name of the company, contact, what they do, audio, lighting, rigging, labor, email, phone number, address, and then you can type in the terms they gave you there. Any notes you like to add, and then just click add vendor. It'll pop up down through here, and you can see all their information, and then you can use them anytime you're billing an expense. Alright, let's go now to billing. So here's where you can see all of your invoices. Okay, you can see all the payments that have come through here. You got invoices and payments at the top. You can record a new payment in here. So obviously, recording a payment in here, probably no invoice. I really can't think of any reason why you would need to do this. I can't think of anything. You guys, you can think of something, let us know in the YouTube comments maybe, but I can't think of any reason why you would need this, but we added it here just in case. Invoices, you're going to go here, you'll see what's been paid, what's sent, what your drafts are. You can go in and look at them here, make any edits that you need to make. You can download a PDF, you can copy the pay link. So if you watched a video earlier, we do not allow in the system for credit cards to be entered into the system. They have to be sent to pay link, and that pay link will go to their email. They enter in their own card details. Nobody can see their credit card details stored anywhere at all. Alright, so you can copy that pay link and email it to them. Easiest thing though to do is just click send to client. It'll send them a copy of this and the pay link. Alright, you can create a new invoice. This again is something we added in, thinking maybe somebody would need it. You really the only thing I can think of maybe is like, hey, Gary did this order at the Hilton Grand Vacation. He needed an extra like an extra, I don't know, they did some dev, I needed a refresh. Needed an extra, like, I don't know, stagehand. Alright, you can put in your own tax rate, or you can just include your tax rate into it. Set the due date, make a note if you want to, and then just click create invoice, and then you can send it to your client right there. And that's really it. You can record payments for your clients in here. Click on here, record payment. The cash, check, ACH, other. If they're paying with a credit card, it's going to record automatically once they actually pay. If you have any questions about invoices or payments, just shoot us an email. We'll be happy to help. So next, let's go into accounting. So accounting is just an at-a-glance screen. You can set a date range. You can add your expenses here. Expenses are going to show up right here, as you see. When you click it, you just put a description of what you're doing, your order, or the amount, the date, category, vendor. If it has to do with a show, you select the show, and then that expense will be pulled on that show P&L that you see right here. So if you look at the Hilton San Antonio, and right now you got $1511.76. Let's add an expense for it. Alright, let's just say it's $100. 15th. We'll say it's for labor. We paid it to Ace Rigging, and that is the, I think that was order 003. There we go. We paid ACH. The reference number 1234. Add expense, and you see that cost went up $1611.76. All right. So that is it on accounting up here, or expenses up here. You can go in and see the show too from there. You edit anything over here. You want to upload your receipt for that expense, you can do that there. If you need to delete it and messed up, you just hit it there. Edit button there. Go in and edit the whole thing if you need to. Next is your P&L by show, which is what I was just showing you. So you're going to be able to see the revenue, the cost or expenses for the show. This includes all your labor, sub-rentals, anything that is associated with this show and cost. And your profit. And then your margin. Down here is just your basic at a glance accounts. And then, give me 1 second, I'm sending an email over actually to, or a message over to one of my devs so that they can get this to round properly. That has to do with the taxes. Okay. And then let's go into Insights. So Insights is actually where you're going to go and get your reports for everything. So you can see your client satisfaction, all your financials. You guys can pause the video if you'd like and look at the different reports you've got here. You got inventory and assets, logistics, labor and crew, warehouse ops, and then your executive KPI and demand forecast. Select your date range, download a PDF, and then you see right now you've gotten 3 audits scored. Pull accuracy is only 6.4%. Return rate is 66.7%. Perfect pulls is 0. Something you got not returned right here. You got one thing that didn't get returned. So good report to have. Alright, and that is it. You got your activity log here. I almost forgot about that. This is going to show anything happening on your account. And that is it for those. So that's like I said, it's basic clients. That's your billing, your vendors, accounting, and insights. So we got one more video that we're going to do. It's going to go over your people and your time. And then we're going to kind of look at the settings on that video too, just to kind of go into detail on those a little bit. Alright, I will see you on the next one.